Okay, today's video, money questions. What's the importance of financial literacy in a person's life? So let's begin. The agenda in today's video, we'll be discussing what is it? Why is it important? And what's the benefits? So let's get right into this video. So what is it? Financial literacy is the ability to understand and use financial skills. So there are a variety of different financial skills. Here's an example of some of them. Budgeting. So managing your money, where the money is going. That's a financial skill. Negotiating. Being able to reduce the price on something or get a better price on something that you're purchasing. Yeah, that's negotiating. That's another financial skill. Comparisons. The ability to compare prices between two different things or a variety of things. Shopping around looking for the best price. Bargain hunting, as some people say. That's another financial skill. Prioritizing your money and your finances. So spending money on the things that are important, the things that you need rather than the things you want. That's another financial skill. Investing. Of course, we spoke about investing quite a lot, but investing is an important financial skill. Understanding what to do with your money once you've saved it and how to make that money grow financially for yourself to achieve your goals. That's another financial skill. I'm not afraid to ask, is that the best price you can do? Importance. Without understanding the different financial skills and how to use them, you'll make a lot more financial mistakes in your lifetime. So, one mistake, bad debt. Taking on too much bad debt, or even taking on any bad debt at all, really. That's a mistake that's caused as a result of not having great financial literacy. Mistake number 2, bad credit. As a result of missing payments and getting into too much debt, you're actually resulting in a bad credit. Your credit score is going down and down and down, which will affect you later when you want to invest into things like real estate or property. Another mistake is, getting into repossessions and foreclosures where you're having things taken away from you now because you're mismanaging your money and you're not financially literate. This could be cars, this could be homes, this could be all sorts of different things. It takes courage to set out on this journey to financial freedom. But look, you've got the courage, yeah? You're doing a great job. You're watching these videos. You're learning about personal finance. You're on your way. Keep at it. It's the benefits. If you can understand financial skills and how to use them, the benefits can be incredible for you in your life. Here's some benefits. Prepared. You'll be better prepared for any emergencies or any problems that occur in your life. So, for example, if any issues health-wise happen, you're prepared. If anything happens in your family, you're prepared financially. If there's any funerals or any emergencies that occur that you haven't really expected, if you've got financial literacy, you will be prepared for these things because you would have had emergency funds. Achievement. You increase the probability of you achieving your financial goals as a result of being financially literate. Avoid. You can avoid the most common financial mistakes people make as a result of being financially literate. So mistakes like the ones we just spoke about, you can avoid them all. The action steps. So the action steps for today's video are as follows. 1. I want you to go and read one book on personal finance. Go and research on Amazon, Waterstones, Barnes & Nobles. Go and find a personal finance book and read it. Listen to one podcast on personal finance. So that can be go on iTunes, Google Podcasts. Watch one tutorial on personal finance. You can do this on YouTube, Vimeo, or a variety of other places, Udemy. Go and watch one tutorial on personal finance. And as usual, like, subscribe, and share. Leave a comment below, and I'll give you my 2 cents.